Dart School presents Interpreting Graphs. Interpreting means understanding. In this video, we are going to learn how to read and understand data presented in a graph and thereby come to meaningful conclusions. A survey among a group of people to find out which was their favorite snacks was done. Let's see how a bar graph for this data would look like. So here comes the bar graph, and we have one bar for each of the snack types. So here comes the bar for burger. Here comes the bar for cutlet. And here comes the bar for pizza. Here's the one for hot chips. And finally we have one for others. And then you want to write down the names below each of the bars. Burger, cutlet, pizza, hot chips and others. The number at the top of each of these bars is the number of people who have selected that snack as their favorite food. And then obviously the height of each of the bars is proportional to the number on this table. Because there was only one person who said pizza is my favorite snack, you see the pizza bar as the shortest. And because as many as 7% said that burger and hot chips were their favorite snack, you see the 7 and the 7 over here for burger and hot chips, and the two bars have the same length. And they're the longest or the highest because 7 is the highest number on this list. And then you would expect the height of the other bar to be exactly half the height of this cutlet bar, because this number 3 is exactly half of 6. That's how you draw a bar graph. On a bar graph, the bars do not have to be upright. They don't have to be vertical. They can also go sideways. Let's look at an example with horizontal bars. Given below is a horizontal graph showing the number of students playing different games in a class. Analyze and answer the questions. And here comes the cricket bar that says, okay, there are two persons who would say that cricket is their favorite sport. For football, the number is 4. For rugby, the number is 4 again. For tennis, the number is 3. And for squash, there's only one person in the class who said squash was their favorite sport. Or let's rather say who plays squash, because this data is about playing different games, not about favorite games. And then by looking at the graph, we could answer simple questions such as, how many students play tennis? The answer is 3. So this is 3. How many students play squash? The answer is 1. This is 1. How many students play rugby? And the answer is 4. Easy, right? Or maybe which sport is played by 2 students? And that's cricket, because we have this 2 over here. So there you have a horizontal bar graph.